When I was developing this channel, I thought, okay, I'll make a dating channel. I'll teach guys how to get laid, how to go out and talk to women and get out of their comfort zone and all that good stuff that goes with pickup and cold approach and all that shit. And then I learned that there's too many damn channels like that. And there's too much information and not enough guys doing what they should be fucking doing. So that's what I'm gonna show you in this video today, man. The one thing that you need to do to actually make progress in your life with women. Period. Stay tuned. Welcome back. My name is Dre. I help men master their journey. In this video, very rare that I'm gonna make videos on pickup or cold approach. It's rare because there's too much damn information for you and you ain't doing shit about it, man. I know you're not. I know you're not. I go out a lot and it's rare, no matter what city I'm in, no matter where I'm at, club, bar, whatever. It doesn't matter. I could be at a coffee shop. Never, ever do I see guys walk up and talk to people in the correct way. Ever, ever. It is ridiculous to me that with all the information online, men still don't get it. So I'm gonna show you in this video the tips, the hacks, the lines that you should be saying, your body language, your vocal tone. Not in this video, not in this video. I'm gonna show you one thing that will take you miles that no freaking dating coach ever talks about. And I've been watching that shit for a long time, man. There's only one company, I will not name them, that has ever spoken about this. And I give them a lot of credit. I learned a lot from them. I outgrew them. But to this day, I still credit them with teaching me what I'm about to show you today. And they have strayed away from that a long time ago. Listen, man, if you're out in the world and you see a girl and you want to talk to them, I don't care if they look at you. I don't care if there's a connection. I don't care. You see something you like as a man, go get it. That's it. If you can't do that, stay at home and fucking meditate and fix your traumas, fix your blocks, fix your self-worth. Then that won't happen. That's your first problem. You see, even before the pickup, even before all that stuff, this has to happen first. Now, say you have done that. Say you have some sort of self-worth and you feel sort of entitled, okay? And now you're gonna go out there and you're gonna fucking talk to people. Talk to them like a fucking man. Tell them what you want. Don't beat around the bush. Don't play fucking games. Men don't do that shit. And to be honest, girls respect that so much more. So much more. If I could ever give a man the best piece of advice when it comes to male dynamics, learn the female side. Learn how their perspective is towards all of this. When you learn that, your game changes, man. Your game. If you have any, if you even go down that road, man, because there are so many fucking areas of game, okay, of personal development. There's a lot of levels, dude. So what you have to understand is, out in the real world, just get over yourself. That's it, man. When you learn that you're always gonna have that, approach anxiety, you're always gonna have that fear of rejection. It doesn't fucking go away. You just learn how to use it in the correct way. I love it when I get rejected. I push for it. That's my style, man. That's my style. I push for it because I know that as soon as that comes out, I can make the recovery that makes me even more attractive. That stuff is, I'm not even gonna go into it, man, because you're not there. You're not there. The majority of the men that I talk to are divorced, handling a breakup, or young, and haven't even had sex yet at all. Now, that's not wrong, that's fine. We all live life, man. Shit happens and we go through life. Now, either of those men can go to many different channels and learn all kinds of shit. And their downfall is internal. Every damn time. I don't care. I don't care how much you learn online. I've had guys come to me with like thousands of dollars of coaching under their belt from dating coaches, like true dating coaches. And they still cannot get over themselves. They know everything. They're like, why aren't I making progress? Why have I been single for 6 months? It's internal. You have to fucking get this. There is no amount of anything that will change this until you take the time to change it. Stop focusing on the prize, man. Stop. It is so important that you go into public and get rejected. Let that sink in. Let that sink in, man. I don't know how many times it's going to take you, but when you learn that it's just a thing that happens, and then you learn the reasoning behind it from the female perspective, it all makes sense. Tip of the day, man. As a woman, they want to be corrected. They want you to be the man. If you allow them to act out of line, you can correct them. Then things are happening, man. You don't have to wait for this stuff. This is super advanced shit, man. I shouldn't even really be talking about this. This isn't what my channel is all about. But I see too many men that are just so afraid of meeting people in the real world. Even men. Like meeting men. Now, if you walk up to a guy and say, what's up? What are you thinking? Are you scared? That's exactly how you should approach everybody. And the reason why you feel all this fear when you're walking up to girls is because you want something from them. You're protecting a little piece inside of you that's hurt. And you don't want to open that wound again because you've been hurt so bad. That's where all that fear stems from, dude. Don't allow that to be. Take the time on your own to meditate, to do the work, go deep, clear those blocks, tend to those traumas, make them powerful, okay? Don't let them rule you, make them powerful and use that fuel for growth. So badass, man. And in the future, dude, when you walk up to people and your vibe is right, you literally don't have to say shit. It is weird. It is weird, man. And I'll tell you right now from major experience. I used to live in Seattle, so I would go to the market. Hundreds of people. I would peacock like a crazy man, big hat, crazy coat. I'm tall as shit, so I'm walking around and I'm just peacocking. And I'm looking for girls. I'm looking to pick up. I'm looking to do that stuff. And I had this goal. And I would come into contact with something. I knew exactly how to tap them on the shoulder, exactly how to stop them, all the things to say to heighten attraction and all this stuff and get them interested and blah, 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 blah. But you know why I was doing that? Because I didn't handle the internal. I was compensating for the lack of high vibe, man. If you use all that stuff, the tips, the tricks, the hacks, the techniques, okay, towards pickup, towards dating, and you're also high vibe, your core vibration is just wicked, you are a force to be reckoned with, my friend. And to tell you the truth, that's where positive growth comes from. Doing what I was doing, now that I look back on that, I don't like that. I don't like that. It got me nowhere, and it was bullshit, fake, and it was just pretty much to just feed some sort of, pride within me. Oh, I can do this. Therefore, I'm better. Wrong. Effing wrong. Now, I don't say much. Man. If I see a girl that I like in public, I'm always going to walk up to them. I don't care if they don't look like they want to talk to anybody. I don't care if they have headphones in. I don't care if they're with a guy. I don't care. I don't fucking care. There's different ways to go about things. You know, of course, you have to be socially aware. You know, you can't be some freaking imbecile in the world. Of course, you need to gain a little bit of social skills, for sure. But I really let my vibe do the talking, man. I say as little as possible, and I let my vibe do the talking. I don't put in all that work. I didn't handle all that trauma, okay? I didn't do that for nothing. Now, there are times when, I gotta pull some tricks out of the bag, for sure, but it's rare. Usually, people fall into my frame, dude. The vibe, that's what matters, man. That's what matters. There's a lot of things that go into meeting somebody, being social. I know, man, I know. Do away with all that shit. You're not ready for it. If you are, you know. But if you're still having this petty fear of women, of rejection, and it's strong, that's internal, man. Make real progress. The prizes you get in this world when you take the time to work on yourself are beyond what you can imagine right now. I promise you, my friend, the riches, the rewards that you get for your hard work, unbelievable. Thank you for watching, my friend. I hope you took some value from this video. Comment down below what you think. If you hate it, if you love it, doesn't matter to me, man. Let me hear your freaking opinion. See you next time.